Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 Insider preview build for the beta channel, which is the build 22635.4010. This build is again for Windows 11 23H2, and in this video we're going to talk about what is new, what has changed, and what is fixed inside this latest build. We have something pretty exciting related to the start menu, and of course in this video I'm going to show you that. If you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. So Microsoft is starting to roll again the new features related to the shortened time and date in the system tray, of course in the taskbar. So right now if you right click on the taskbar and then go to taskbar settings, we're going to notice that we have two new different related settings down here, and if we go to date and time, we're going to have the option, if we expand show time and date in the system tray, show abbreviated time and date. And then if we go to notifications, we're going to have here, if you expand notifications, show the notification bell icon. And also you're going to notice that the show clock with seconds was moved here inside the time and date section, show seconds in the system tray clock. Also, if you don't like the jump lists on the taskbar icons on hover, for example the File Explorer, you can just right click on the taskbar, go to taskbar settings, and then you're going to have on taskbar behaviors this option, show hover cards for inactive and pinned taskbar apps. You disable this and you will no longer see the jump list on hover, only if you right click on an item. I think that is pretty interesting. Now the main thing of this build, if you go into the start menu and then all apps, you're going to notice this new section if you have selected the category view. Basically, we've talked about this before on previous builds, and this basically shows the new category view on the all apps section that Microsoft is currently working on. And as you can see, they did more progress on this. And for example, developer tools is the CMD, entertainment we have paint, movies, and so on. We have weather, other, productivity, utilities, and more. And you can launch an app by simply clicking on it really easily. Of course, certain things are not working, and also this section is a bit bigger, not really aligned, but of course Microsoft is working behind the scenes on this. It's nice to see that they've improved this quite a bit since the last build when we only had a grid. Now we have certain apps categorized here and also a few nice little animations. Of course, don't forget that you can change this view from category to grid, for example, which is basically the old view. And also we have alphabetical, which you can do to sort all the apps like this. In this build we also have a paint app update, so you can just open up the Microsoft Store, go to library and click on get updates and then update all to get all the latest updates for this build. And as you can see, we're also getting the paint app update, which has a few new improvements which we're going to cover in this video. Just go and try to update all the apps and you should be good to go. And after the paint app update is finished, you can close out the Microsoft Store and then open the paint app. And to check if you have the latest version, you can go to settings and then check if you have the version 11.2406.36. This is the latest version. So this update includes two new features, pen back button eraser support. In this new update, users can now seamlessly switch from their current tool to erase by pressing on the eraser button or flipping to the back of the stylus pen to erase. Also pen support, also select and pen side button. In the latest update, users can click on the side button when they hover the stylus pen over the screen to use the freeform selection tool and select anything on the canvas quickly. So this is basically some new updates for the touchscreen users. Now let's talk about a few fixes in this build. For example, related to the taskbar, Microsoft fixed a recent issue where if you press the shift key when you right clicked on an app icon on the taskbar, it was opening another instance of the app rather than opening the expected menu. As part of this fix, Microsoft also fixed an issue where if you press the shift key when right clicking on an app icon on the taskbar, would sometimes crash explorer.exe. And related to the task manager, Microsoft fixed an issue where the drop down at the top of the GPU section in the performance page wasn't showing in dark mode when dark mode was enabled. Related to known issues, we don't have any new known issues, but the ones that we know so far will be present in the Microsoft official blog post, so you can check that from there. So this was the video for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. This is Manuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.